places where time stands still. And then there is Istanbul, where time never stops moving. From the first call to prayer that rises over the Bosphorus to the last echo of footsteps fading through its ancient streets, every sound, every shadow, every heartbeat carries a story older than memory. Empires have fallen here, but nothing truly disappears. The stones remember. Even the sea seems to whisper the names of those who dared to rule her. Stand still long enough, and you'll feel it, the weight of centuries pressing through the present. The collision of faith and ambition, chaos and beauty, bound together in one endless rhythm. This is not a city you visit. It's a city that tests you, that dares you to keep up. Because in Istanbul, time doesn't pass. It returns.